Implementation of AI cost reduction strategies by 2025, a structured approach. Introduction. The evolving landscape of technology necessitates the adoption of artificial intelligence (AI) as a strategic lever for organizations aiming to optimize business processes and drive cost efficiencies. The following report outlines a comprehensive strategy for implementing AI cost reduction initiatives by 2025. This strategy is delineated into 4 key phases. Supported by a budget allocation of $3 million dedicated to infrastructure development and employee training. Phase 1, Assessment and Planning 2023. Objective: identify inefficiencies and opportunities for AI integration. 1. Comprehensive assessment. Organizations must begin by conducting a thorough assessment of their existing processes. This involves collecting data across various departments to pinpoint areas that are ripe for AI intervention. 2. Executive buy-in. Gaining support from senior management is crucial. Leadership must understand the potential benefits of AI and be committed to its implementation. 3. Cross-departmental collaboration. Successful planning requires collaboration among different departments. It is vital to break down silos to foster an environment conducive to innovation. 4. Pilot projects, as a proof of concept. Organizations should consider initiating pilot projects. These smaller-scale implementations can provide valuable insights and help refine strategies before a full-scale rollout. Key activities. Conduct workshops and interviews with department heads to gather insights. Develop a strategic plan outlining specific AI applications and expected outcomes. Secure funding and commitment from stakeholders for the subsequent phases. Phase 2, Infrastructure Development 2024. Objective: establish a robust technological framework for AI deployment. 1. IT infrastructure setup. The second phase focuses on creating the necessary infrastructure, which is crucial for supporting AI technologies. This includes investments in hardware, software, and cloud computing resources. 2. Budget allocation. The $3 million budget should prioritize cloud computing resources for scalability, data storage solutions for effective data management, AI platforms that facilitate development and deployment. 3. Data management systems. Implementing advanced data management systems is essential for ensuring high-quality data that AI algorithms require. 4. Cybersecurity measures, as AI systems will handle sensitive data. Robust cybersecurity protocols must be established to protect organizational assets. Key activities. Collaborate with IT specialists to assess current infrastructure and identify gaps. Invest in cloud services and AI platforms that align with strategic goals. Establish data governance policies to ensure data quality and security. Phase 3, Training and Skill Development mid-2024. Objective: equip employees with the skills necessary to leverage AI tools effectively. 1. Training programs. The third phase involves developing comprehensive training programs designed to upskill employees. Training should encompass both technical skills related to AI and soft skills for change management. 2. Focus on change management. Employees must be prepared for the operational changes that AI adoption will bring. Therefore, training should also address how to adapt to new workflows and technologies. 3. Ongoing learning. Establish a culture of continuous learning where employees are encouraged to stay updated on AI advancements and best practices. 4. Feedback mechanisms. Implement feedback loops to gauge the effectiveness of training programs and make necessary adjustments. Key activities. Develop a training curriculum in collaboration with AI experts. Schedule regular training sessions, workshops, and seminars. Create a mentorship program pairing tech-savvy employees with those needing support. Phase 4, Implementation and Continuous Improvement late 2024 to 2025. Objective: execute AI solutions and establish a framework for ongoing improvement. 1. Deployment of AI solutions. The final phase focuses on the actual implementation of AI technologies across the organization. This should be executed in stages to minimize disruption. 2. Continuous improvement strategy. Organizations should establish mechanisms for regular assessment of AI performance. This includes collecting feedback from users and making iterative improvements based on evolving needs. 3. Performance metrics. Define key performance indicators (KPIs) to measure the success of AI implementations. Metrics may include cost savings, efficiency improvements, and employee satisfaction. For adaptation to change, AI technologies and business needs are constantly evolving. Organizations must remain flexible and willing to adapt their AI strategies accordingly. Key activities: launch AI applications in targeted departments based on pilot results. Monitor AI performance and gather user feedback systematically. Hold regular review meetings to assess progress and make strategic adjustments. Conclusion: the successful implementation of AI cost reduction strategies by 2025 is a multi-phase endeavor that necessitates meticulous planning, strategic investment in infrastructure, comprehensive employee training, and a commitment to continuous improvement. By adhering to this structured approach, organizations can leverage AI technologies to enhance operational efficiencies, ultimately driving significant cost savings and fostering a culture of innovation. Timeline of events: 1. 2023, initiation of assessment and planning phase. 2. 2024, commencement of infrastructure development with allocated budget. 3. Mid-2024, rollout of training programs across the organization. 4. Late 2024 to early 2025, begin implementation of AI solutions. 5. 2025, establish continuous improvement practices to adapt AI applications. By following these outlined phases and committing to the strategic allocation of resources, organizations can effectively harness the power of AI, ensuring long-term sustainability and competitiveness in an increasingly digital marketplace. The content provided outlines a structured approach for implementing AI cost reduction strategies by 2025, comprising 4 key phases supported by a $3 million budget for infrastructure and training. However, there are several counterintuitive insights within this framework that challenge conventional wisdom. 1. Emphasis on human element over technology. Conventional thought often prioritizes technological advancements and infrastructure in AI implementation, assuming that superior technology will automatically lead to better outcomes. However, the content reveals that successful AI adoption heavily relies on training employees and managing change. This suggests that without a focus on the human aspect, training and adapting organizational culture, technological investments may not yield the desired efficiencies. In essence, investing in people can be more critical than merely acquiring the latest technology. 2. Pilot projects as proof of concept. Many organizations may resist pilot projects due to a desire for immediate full-scale implementation, believing that these projects can prolong the time to value. However, the text suggests that pilot projects are essential for testing AI applications in a controlled environment before wider deployment. This counterintuitive approach highlights that taking time to validate concepts can ultimately lead to more successful and sustainable implementations, as opposed to rushing into large-scale deployments without evidence of effectiveness. 3. Continuous improvement as a necessity. There is a prevalent belief that once AI solutions are implemented, they will function effectively without much intervention. The discussion in the content counters this by underscoring the importance of continuous improvement and feedback loops post-implementation. It reveals that AI systems are not set-and-forget solutions. They require ongoing evaluation and adjustment to adapt to changing business needs and technological advancements. This perspective challenges the notion that implementation is the final step in the process. 4. Cross-departmental collaboration. it might be assumed that AI implementation can be effectively managed within silos of specific departments led solely by IT or data science teams. However, the content emphasizes that successful AI adoption necessitates cross-departmental collaboration. This insight suggests that integrating diverse perspectives and expertise from various areas of the organization is crucial for identifying inefficiencies and maximizing the value of AI, which is often overlooked in more siloed approaches. 5. Budget allocation for training versus technology. Traditionally, budget allocations for technology initiatives often focus heavily on hardware and software purchases with less attention given to training. The content stance on allocating a significant portion of the budget to training challenges this norm. It suggests that organizations may achieve better returns on their technology investments by prioritizing employees' skill development over merely purchasing advanced systems. This counterintuitive notion posits that the human capability to leverage technology is just as important, if not more so, than the technology itself. 6. Phased approach versus Big Bang implementation. The tendency for organizations to adopt a Big Bang approach to implementing new technologies can stem from a desire for immediate results. However, the content advocates for a phased approach, breaking down the implementation into manageable steps. This approach may seem slower and less aggressive initially, but it ultimately allows for better management of resources, risks, and employee adaptation, leading to more sustainable long-term success. 7. Data-driven insights over gut feelings. Decision-making in organizations often relies on intuition or historical practices, but the content stresses the importance of data-driven insights in the assessment and planning phase. This focus on data challenges the traditional reliance on anecdotal evidence and highlights the potential pitfalls of not grounding decisions in empirical data. By prioritizing data analysis, organizations may discover opportunities for AI implementation that were previously overlooked. 8. Infrastructure as an ongoing investment. There's a common misconception that once the necessary infrastructure is built, it remains static. However, the content indicates that infrastructure development is just the beginning and that AI systems require ongoing investments and upgrades to remain effective. This perspective highlights the need for organizations to view their infrastructure as a dynamic component of their technology strategy rather than a one-time expense. In summary, the outline implementation strategy for AI cost reduction by 2025 reveals several counterintuitive insights that challenge traditional beliefs about technology adoption. By prioritizing the human element, advocating for pilot projects, embracing continuous improvement, fostering collaboration, reallocating budget priorities, adopting a phased approach, relying on data-driven insights, and recognizing infrastructure as an ongoing investment, organizations can navigate the complexities of AI implementation more effectively and sustainably. The report on the implementation of AI cost reduction strategies by 2025 outlines a structured approach through 4 key phases, emphasizing the importance of a $3 million budget allocation for infrastructure and training. While the summary provides a clear roadmap, several critical elements may be overlooked by readers which are significant for successful implementation. 1. Importance of executive buy-in. One of the most critical components mentioned in Phase 1 is the need for executive buy-in. While many reports emphasize planning and assessing inefficiencies, they often underestimate the impact that leadership commitment has on the success of AI initiatives. Executive buy-in is not just about securing funding, it sets the tone for organizational culture. Leaders must advocate for AI integration, allocate necessary resources, and actively participate in change management. This commitment ensures that AI initiatives align with strategic goals, encouraging a culture of innovation and openness to change. Overlooking this aspect could result in resistance from employees and a lack of support for necessary changes in processes and technologies. 2. Cross-departmental collaboration. The emphasis on cross-departmental collaboration is another point that could be easily overlooked. While the report mentions it as a key to successful implementation, it is crucial to recognize that AI often impacts various aspects of an organization, from marketing to operations and HR. For effective implementation, it is vital to create interdisciplinary teams that can share insights and address potential challenges from different perspectives. Organizations that fail to foster such collaboration risk siloed efforts, leading to inefficiencies and a disjointed approach to AI adoption. 3. Infrastructure as a foundation for AI success. In Phase 2, the report highlights the significance of developing robust infrastructure. But the depth of this point may not be fully appreciated. Infrastructure goes beyond merely investing in hardware or software. It encompasses data governance, security protocols, and compliance with regulations. Many organizations may hastily allocate funds without a thorough evaluation of their existing infrastructure capabilities. A strong foundation is essential for scalability, data integrity, and security, which are critical for AI applications. Neglecting to address these aspects can lead to vulnerabilities and inefficiencies that could undermine AI initiatives. 4. Comprehensive training programs. The focus on training in Phase 3 is crucial, yet it is often treated as a secondary consideration. Many organizations may view training as a one-time event rather than an ongoing process. Effective training must encompass not only technical skills but also soft skills such as adaptability and problem solving. Moreover, training should include change management strategies to help employees navigate the transition. Failure to invest in comprehensive training can result in underutilization of AI tools, as employees may not feel equipped to leverage these technologies effectively. 5. Continuous improvement as a dynamic process. While the report addresses the importance of continuous improvement in Phase 4, it is essential to recognize that this process must be dynamic and responsive to real-time feedback. Organizations often establish feedback loops but may fail to act on the insights gained. Continuous improvement is not merely about making adjustments, it requires a cultural shift toward embracing feedback and innovation. Organizations should implement agile methodologies that allow for rapid iterations based on performance metrics and employee input. Overlooking this aspect can lead to stagnation and a failure to adapt AI applications to evolving business needs. 6. The role of change management. Change management is a recurring theme in the literature, yet it is often underemphasized in practical implementations. Successful AI adoption is as much about technology as it is about managing the human side of change. Organizations must recognize the psychological impacts of introducing AI, which can lead to fears of job displacement or resistance to new workflows. Effective change management strategies, including clear communication, stakeholder engagement, and support systems, are essential for easing transitions and fostering acceptance among employees. Ignoring the importance of change management can result in a lack of employee engagement and ultimately hinder the effectiveness of AI initiatives. 7. Evaluation metrics and success criteria. Lastly, the report discusses the need for feedback loops but does not delve deeply into the establishment of evaluation metrics and success criteria for AI initiatives. Setting clear, quantifiable objectives is crucial for assessing the impact of AI on business processes. Organizations should define what success looks like before implementation, including specific KPIs related to cost reduction, efficiency gains, and employee productivity. Without these metrics, it becomes challenging to measure the effectiveness of AI solutions accurately and make informed decisions about future investments. Overlooking this step can lead to misalignment between AI initiatives and business objectives, causing wasted resources and missed opportunities. Conclusion. In conclusion, while the report provides a structured approach to implementing AI cost reduction strategies, several key aspects deserve closer attention. Executive buy-in, cross-departmental collaboration, robust infrastructure, comprehensive training, dynamic continuous improvement, effective change management, and clear evaluation metrics are all significant factors that can influence the success of AI initiatives. Acknowledging and addressing these elements will empower organizations to harness the full potential of AI, driving meaningful operational efficiencies and cost savings by 2025. The implementation of AI cost reduction strategies by 2025 is a crucial initiative for organizations looking to optimize their operations. The process can be succinctly broken down into 4 key phases, each with its distinct objectives and focus areas. Here are the 4 most valuable points for an in-depth analysis and discussion. 1. Assessment and planning, the foundation for success. The first phase emphasizes the importance of a thorough assessment of existing processes to identify inefficiencies and potential areas for AI integration. This phase is critical as it sets the stage for all subsequent actions. Key considerations: organizations must engage in cross-departmental collaboration to gather diverse insights. Executive buy-in is essential to ensure that AI initiatives align with overall business objectives. The use of pilot projects is encouraged to validate AI applications before a full-scale rollout. Discussion points: how can organizations effectively measure the current state of their processes? What methodologies can be employed to ensure comprehensive stakeholder engagement? The role of pilot projects in reducing the risk of implementation failure. 2. Infrastructure development, building the backbone. The second phase focuses on creating the necessary technological infrastructure to support AI applications. This involves significant investment in hardware and software, which is crucial for effective data management and processing. Key considerations: the $3 million budget allocation should prioritize cloud computing, data storage solutions, and AI platforms. A strong IT infrastructure is vital for enabling seamless integration of AI technologies into existing systems. Discussion points: what specific technologies should organizations invest in to ensure robust infrastructure? How can organizations balance between on-premises and cloud solutions? The potential challenges in transitioning to a new technological framework. 3. Training and skill development, empowering the workforce. In the third phase, organizations must focus on training employees to utilize AI tools effectively. This is not just about technical skill acquisition but also about managing the change that AI adoption brings. Key considerations: training programs should address both technical skills and change management strategies to prepare employees for new operational practices. This investment in human capital is crucial for maximizing the benefits of AI. Discussion points: what are the best practices for developing effective training programs? How can organizations ensure that training is aligned with the specific needs of various departments? The importance of continuous learning and adaptation in an AI-driven environment. 4. Implementation and continuous improvement, adapting to change. The final phase is centered around the actual implementation of AI solutions and establishing a framework for continuous improvement. This iterative process is essential to adapt AI systems to evolving business needs and technological advancements. Key considerations: organizations should establish feedback loops to evaluate AI performance and make iterative improvements. Continuous improvement ensures that AI applications remain relevant and effective in meeting organizational goals. Discussion points: what metrics should organizations use to evaluate the success of AI implementations? How can organizations foster a culture of continuous improvement in relation to AI? The potential barriers to effective feedback mechanisms and how to overcome them. Conclusion: the structured approach to implementing AI cost reduction strategies involves careful planning, investment in infrastructure, employee training, and a commitment to continuous improvement. By focusing on these 4 key phases, organizations can effectively leverage AI to enhance operational efficiencies and realize significant cost savings by 2025. Each phase presents unique challenges and opportunities that warrant in-depth analysis and strategic discussion to ensure successful outcomes. 1. the Industrial Revolution 18th to 19th century. This monumental period in history marked a transition to new manufacturing processes characterized by the move from hand production methods to machines. The introduction of technologies such as the steam engine and mechanized textile production transformed industries and created unprecedented economic growth. Similar to the implementation of AI in modern businesses, the Industrial Revolution required significant investment in infrastructure, training of a workforce to operate new machinery, and an adaptive approach to improve production processes continuously. 2. The advent of the Internet. 1990s. The rise of the Internet drastically changed communication, information sharing, and business operations globally. Companies had to assess their existing business models, invest in new technologies, train employees on digital tools, and continuously adapt to the rapidly evolving digital landscape. Just as AI implementation requires a structured phase approach, the Internet's integration into business also involved assessment, infrastructure development, training, and ongoing improvement to leverage its full potential. 3. The introduction of lean manufacturing. 1980s. Lean manufacturing, developed from the Toyota production system, focuses on eliminating waste and improving efficiency in production. Organizations had to conduct assessments of their processes, develop new infrastructure for lean practices, train employees in lean methodologies, and create a culture of continuous improvement. The structured approach to adopting lean manufacturing mirrors the phased strategy proposed for AI cost reduction, emphasizing assessment, training, infrastructure development, and implementation for operational efficiency. The future outlook for the implementation of AI cost reduction strategies by 2025 suggests a transformative shift in how organizations operate, driven by systematic and strategic integration of artificial intelligence. Here are key predictions for the future based on the outlined phases and considerations. 1. Increased operational efficiency. By 2025, organizations that successfully implement AI cost reduction strategies will likely experience significant improvements in operational efficiency. Automation of routine tasks will free up human resources for more complex problem-solving and creative tasks. This shift will not only enhance productivity but also lead to faster decision-making processes. Companies are expected to reduce operational costs by up to 30% as AI optimizes workflows and minimizes human error. 2. Enhanced data-driven decision-making. With the establishment of robust infrastructure and training programs, businesses will increasingly rely on AI-powered analytics for decision-making. The integration of AI will enable organizations to process vast amounts of data in real time, leading to insights that were previously unattainable. By 2025, predictive analytics will become a standard practice, guiding strategic initiatives and helping organizations anticipate market changes, customer needs, and operational bottlenecks. 3. Shifts in workforce dynamics. The workforce will undergo a significant transformation as AI tools become integral to daily operations. There will be an increased emphasis on upskilling employees to work alongside AI, with training programs focusing on both technical skills and soft skills such as adaptability and critical thinking. By 2025, organizations will likely have a more agile workforce capable of leveraging AI to enhance their roles, and the demand for AI literacy will become a prerequisite for many positions. 4. Focus on ethical AI and governance. As AI adoption grows, organizations will need to address ethical considerations and governance surrounding AI technologies. By 2025, there will be an increased focus on developing frameworks to ensure AI is used responsibly and transparently. Companies will likely implement policies to mitigate biases in AI algorithms, protect user data, and ensure compliance with emerging regulations. This emphasis on ethical AI will be crucial for maintaining consumer trust and brand integrity. 5. Collaboration across departments. The successful implementation of AI strategies will necessitate collaboration across various departments, breaking down silos that traditionally existed in organizations. By 2025, cross-functional teams will become more common, fostering a culture of innovation where insights and expertise from different areas contribute to AI development and deployment. This collaborative approach will enhance the effectiveness of AI solutions and ensure they align with overall business goals. 6. Continuous improvement and adaptation. Organizations will adopt a mindset of continuous improvement. With regular assessments of AI performance and the agility to adapt to new technological advancements. By 2025, feedback loops will be established as standard practice, allowing businesses to refine their AI applications in real time based on operational feedback and evolving market conditions. This iterative process will ensure that AI solutions remain relevant and effective. 7. Emergence of new business models. The integration of AI is expected to lead to the emergence of new business models and revenue streams. Organizations that successfully leverage AI capabilities may explore subscription-based services, personalized customer experiences, and predictive maintenance offerings. By 2025, we may see a rise in AI-driven startups and innovations that capitalize on the efficiencies gained through AI technologies. 8. Investment in AI technologies. The $3 million budget allocation for infrastructure and training will catalyze further investment in AI technologies. By 2025, organizations that prioritize AI will likely see increased funding opportunities from investors interested in innovative tech-driven companies. This influx of capital will enable businesses to scale their AI initiatives and explore advanced technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. Conclusion. The predicted future landscape for AI cost reduction strategies by 2025 indicates a paradigm shift in business operations characterized by enhanced efficiency, data-driven decision-making, and a transformed workforce. Organizations that effectively navigate the phases of assessment, infrastructure development, training, and implementation will position themselves as leaders in their industries, ready to embrace the opportunities and challenges presented by AI. As the technology evolves, a commitment to ethical practices and continuous improvement will be essential for sustainable success. The journey towards AI integration is not merely about cost reduction, it is about redefining the way organizations operate and deliver value in a rapidly changing world.